In a previous lesson, you saw how to create a SOLIDWORKS drawing of a sheet metal part. However, if you wanted to export your flattened part directly to DXF or DWG, SOLIDWORKS makes it easy to do. You can do this without even opening a 2D SOLIDWORKS drawing. It can be done directly from the 3D sheet metal part. To do this, I'll go to File, Save As, and I'll choose either DXF or DWG from the drop-down. I'll leave the default name and location for the saved file and click Save. This brings up the Export to DXF or DWG Property Manager. In the Export section, I'll leave Sheet Metals selected. I'll export the geometry, hidden lines, and bend lines, leave the rest of the options at the defaults, and click the green check. When I do, SOLIDWORKS opens the DXF DWG cleanup window. I can navigate around the preview within this window by using the View tools at the top. I can also select any entities that I don't want in the exported file and remove them using the Remove Entities button at the bottom. When the preview looks the way you like, click Save, and you have a DXF or DWG out of your flat pattern.